Holy shit, bro.
Oh.
Let's keep pushing. Just because I don't fucking trust. Shit, bro.
Oh.
Let's keep pushing. Just because I don't fucking trust.
Oh my god.
Dude, how far did he come behind us? I didn't see him. Hit the GoPro, bro.
Ah, yeah. Is it on?
Yeah.
What's going on, partner?
Y'all been running from the police. That's what's been going on.
We've just been out riding, sir.
Yeah, well, you've been running from the police too, out riding. So who are you? I got 4 cars coming.
Pulled over. Let's see. Shit, dude, CBR bro was getting pulled over. How you doing? I gotta park my bike better.
Reason for the contact today is going over the bridge, popping wheelies on the bridge.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Right in front of me.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. I was just.
registration?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. I apologize. Here's the ID. I got my registration and insurance right here.
Thank you.
Shoot.
You ever been warned for careless driving before?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check your driving record real quick. This is the only warning you've had. You're good to go, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. CBR bro's fucked. It's a good wheelie though. I was speeding in my car. I got a warning for. I don't know. Let's see.
Alright, slow it down, be smart.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Keep it for the racetrack, huh?
Yeah.
Take care, have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Yes, dude. CBR bro did not get a ticket.
my comps again. That's fucked. That's 2 days in a row.
Stay on. Good, how are you?
Good. The reason I'm stopping you is because you're high beaming everybody.
I ride them on all the time. I'm always going to. I don't care what anybody says. Too many people die from people not seeing them. I will admit, usually I turn them off on the highway because there's no cross traffic.
Right.
But I do keep them on all the time.
Okay, you got your driver's license on you, man?
Yeah. Is that what you're stopping me for, though?
Yeah, you got your high beam. Well, I stopped you for that, and also because I can't see your tag. Your tag's like,
it is a little bent.
Yeah, I couldn't read it.
It's the exhaust. And I will say, just so you are aware, I am armed.
Okay, cool.
Just in case something.
Keep where it's at, and I'll keep mine where it's at, right?
Thank you, I appreciate that.
You got the registration and insurance for the bike?
I don't need to show insurance.
Okay.
I have it.
You got the registration?
It's in the seat.
Okay.
You want me to go?
I'll get it off the tag.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Is everything correct on here?
Yep.
And you have a motorcycle endorsement?
Yep, it's right on there. It says it right on the bottom.
Okay. Cool. Give me 1 second, and I'll get you out of here, alright?
Thank you. No, it's
Yeah, if you could just bend it
it's
back.
like on the plastic. It's not that it bent up, it's that what happens is when it's bent down, this tire hits it. So if you see here, it's actually broken, so I can't bend it.
Okay.
Without bending the, ow, that's hot. I think that's about 50 feet, right?
I couldn't read it at all, so.
Well, this is a small plate. I don't know why they do that, but.
Just hang out on the side of the road, man. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
Okay. Okay.
Here's what I'm gonna tell you, okay? I'm not gonna give you a ticket for that, but somebody else might, okay? Because I can tell when you're behind me. I mean, it's right in my eyes, man. In front of you's driving, and they're.
I do. People get mad. I turn them off, but
Yeah.
if there's cross streets, I turn them back on.
I hear you. Yeah.
People get mad. They're like, "Why are you flashing me?" And sometimes I actually go up to the window and I say, "Sorry, sir," and they calm down. They understand that it's just a safety thing. But I want people to see me. I don't want to be dead on the side of the street.
I hear you. I hear you. Just do that. You know, when you get.
What statute is it violating?
I'd have to look on my computer. I don't know off the top of my head, but yeah, anytime that you're in front of somebody or you're not supposed to ride with your high beams on unless there's no traffic or anything. You guys?
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate how you handled it and everything with the firearm. It means a lot. Thank you. You too. Be safe.
Thanks, sir.
Where's my? Oh, there.